So how to set up a standing order on HSBC. So to set up a standing order, it's pretty similar to just doing a regular transfer. So if you click on pay someone in the UK, select the bank that you want to set up a standing order with, and then it will bring you through to your payee contacts. So if you see the contact that you wish to set up a standing order for, you can go ahead and select it, or if not, you can create a new one here. Then obviously, if you're creating a new contact, you just fill out the banking details for the new payee contact that you want to set up a standing order for. And then once the payee contact is set up and you're ready to make the standing order, you can go ahead and select it like a regular transfer and it will pull you through to this page here. So same as always, just select the amount that you wish to transfer. So for example, let's say £50. You'll then just need to toggle the option here where it says create a standing order. And then if you scroll down here, you can edit the standing order by selecting what time you want to start the standing order, as in the day, how often you want it to be paid, so that could either be weekly or monthly, and then you can also set an end date as well. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below, and thanks again for watching.